Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and today we have a new video for you all. How to completely unmodel a dart and achieve a perfect fit. Today we are going to show you a small but very important masterclass on the modeling a breast dart. We need to choose between two ways to do it. The first will help loosen the armhole slightly, and the second will loosen the shoulder seam. For work, we need the details of the back and front according to 10 measurements cutting system. In this episode, you will learn how to fit a back rest piece to a new front piece, so that the product is neat and fits well to the body, and how to deal with the side seam to balance the front and back rest details. This masterclass will help you create free cut products. Basically, this applies to indoor clothing, sportswear and oversized clothing. Be careful while working and you will get the perfect pattern. We need to remove the shoulder dart from the shoulder. What for? We need a whole shoulder, and in order for us to check the shoulders, we need a whole shoulder without this part here. I close it in order to see your shoulder size. We will divide the dart into 3 parts. One part remains where it is now, the second goes into the side seam, and the third part goes into the armhole. Around the middle of the armhole, 1, 2, 3, I cut it. So this is our pattern. Now we divide this dart into 3 parts. We make it so that they are approximately the same. We divided the breast dart into 3 parts. I don't like the way this pattern looks, and I'm going to redo my pattern now. Everything will be the same, don't worry, I just want the paper itself to look better.
Линия талии. Линия центра
front
переда.
center line, the breast dart has become 3 darts. One from the shoulder, one from the armhole and one from the side seam. We don't need this old pattern anymore, so it goes to the trash. What do I need now? Fold inside seams, waistline with waistline. Here is the beginning of the back armhole. I take a marker of a different color and put a mark. Here is the start of the side seam. We fold the beginning of the shoulder with the beginning of the shoulder, and on the back we put the end of the shoulder. Here it is. Now we need to draw a new armhole. We underestimate by 1.5 centimeters. Same side seams. It is necessary to match the side seams. Now repeat after me. So this is a finished pattern. This is the finished pattern that I cut out. This pattern is suitable for homeware, pajamas, and tracksuits. Well, that's it for today's masterclass. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!